Okay, here we go. So today I ran out of my thread for my line trimmer. So I've seen many videos just for emergency because I don't have time to go to Bunnings and find another thread and come back. So what I'm gonna do is, as you can see, no thread. So all I'm gonna do is use some of these tags. These are thick ones. So just grab a couple, put them through the slot and just pull them through. If you find it harder to release this, put them through. Okay, so do the other side as well. Okay, once you're done, you put this one back and you're all good to go. So let's give it a shot. Okay, some further. Okay. Okay, here we go. Now to test whether it actually works or not. Here you go. So everything is fitted, it's closed. Just gonna go a little back, turn it on. All I can say